Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make these soft and chewy, buttery Funfetti cookies. So I'm first going to start off by browning some butter. So I'm just adding my butter to a pan over medium-high heat, and I'm going to let that cook until I start to see those golden brown bits at the bottom of the pan. And this process is just toasting the milk solids in the butter, and it's gonna add an extra layer of flavor to the cookies. Once your butter reaches this stage, remove it from the heat immediately so it doesn't burn. Then I transfer into a heat-safe dish, and then I put that directly into the freezer so I can get this consistency that's in between melted and softened butter. Next, I add in my sugar and my corn syrup. And I'm gonna stir it in first just to make sure it's combined. And then I'm gonna go in with a whisk and whisk it until it's light and fluffy. Now adding my egg yolks 2 at a time, I'm going to whisk these in until they're fully incorporated, and then I'll add the other 2 and do the same. Then I'll add in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, I'm going to whisk together my dry ingredients and fold that into the wet ingredients. And you want to make sure to fold this until you don't see any visible flour. So your dough should look similar to this. And now we can fold in the rainbow sprinkles. Once the sprinkles are evenly distributed throughout the batter, we can move on to portioning the dough and chilling it. So you can feel free to use whatever size cookie scoop you'd like. I personally like a larger cookie, and I just don't have that size scoop. So I just measured these out to about 2.5 ounces each, and that gave me a total of 12 cookies. Once I've portioned out all the dough, I just put the whole tray in the freezer until they're solid, and then I transfer them into a Ziploc bag where I'll store them in the freezer. And I'll bake these straight from the freezer. You don't have to thaw these or anything. And here's what they look like when they're done. Second to the chocolate chip, this is one of my favorite cookies to make and eat. So if you're a fan of sugar cookies, but you want a cookie that's soft and chewy, but not too sweet, but super buttery, this is the recipe for you, and I hope you try it out. Please make sure you like this video and share it with someone who you think would like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.